In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite in Bitbucket. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring teammates or groups into a repository and give them the right level of access quickly and safely. Start by heading to bitbucket.org. If you're prompted, sign in so you can see your workspaces and repositories. It's a good idea to confirm you're in the correct workspace before you move on, especially if you have access to multiple projects or organizations. This helps ensure you're inviting people to the right place. Next, open the repository you want to share. From your dashboard or repository list, click the repository name to enter its overview. Take a moment to double-check the repo name and the branch or default branch information if you're juggling several similar projects. Accuracy here prevents confusion later. At the top right of the repository screen, select Invite. Depending on your layout, this may appear as an invite button or a small plus icon labeled Invite. If you don't see it, you might not have admin permissions on this repository, so you'll need someone with the correct access to proceed. Otherwise, continue to the invite panel that slides in. In the invite panel, choose Add Users or Groups. This option lets you add a single person or bring in an existing team group. Groups are great if you already manage access centrally, since membership and permissions can be handled in one place, saving you time for future updates. Now, add a group or user by name. Begin typing and select the correct result from the suggestions. Be sure you're picking the right person or group, especially if there are similar names in your organization. If you're inviting a group, remember that everyone in that group will inherit the same access level you assign here, keeping permissions consistent. Next, select the permission level, read, write, or admin. Read allows viewing and cloning the repository and participating in pull requests without pushing code. Write adds the ability to push commits, create branches, and contribute directly, which is ideal for active developers. Admin grants full control over settings and access, including adding or removing users. When in doubt, choose the smallest permission that enables the work, and you can always adjust later. When everything looks correct, click Confirm. Bitbucket will send an invitation and apply the access. The user or group can start collaborating as soon as the invite is accepted, and changes take effect immediately. That's all there is to it. Go to bitbucket.org, open your repository, click Invite, choose. Add users or groups, add the name, set the permission, and confirm. Keep permissions tidy by reviewing them periodically to maintain a secure, organized project.